Innovators, creating the future. With this research surrounding capsule endoscopies, efficient examination can be performed with only a magnet and a gulp.
これ胃に見立てて中にカプセルが入ってて、そうです。これで誘導できるという。ですけどこんな大掛かりな機械が必要だってことです。だけどそんな高い高額な機械使わなくても、もっと簡便に誘導できるのではないかと。でかつ今まで誰もやったことがないんですけど、口から肛門まで全部カプセルで内視鏡観察ができればそれは素晴らしいなと。
If a sports playing robot can read its opponent's movements, how are real athletes supposed to react? What's the best way to build the body of a robot that can play sports? For the table tennis robot, in order to make the arm as light as possible, a single pneumatic actuator is equipped to control the three main joints in the elbows, shoulders, and wrists.
卓球できるっていうことを前提に、そういうプラットフォームやロボットをまず作って、でその上でこうそれを進化させていくみたいなことをやらなきゃいけない。
When living creatures have just been born, it can be difficult to distinguish between males and females based on appearance alone. The sex of baby chicks can be distinguished based on the length of their wings. However, this can prove to be quite a challenge to the human eye. The different colors on the wings are determined using a hyperspectral camera, analyzing the composition of the light to display unique features. By analyzing the wavelength of light on the wings and feathers, as well as the beak, body, and legs, the complementary colors red and green are assigned using imaging technology, with red emphasizing any unique features of the wings. Showing these images to AI allows it to automatically determine the length of the wing and assign sex to the chick. The Y-Fly is a small, ultra-lightweight aircraft weighing in at an astonishing 30 grams. The double wing structure allows it to generate enough aerodynamic force to lift itself off of the ground with a small amount of power. The left and right wings are independent of each other, and by controlling the strength of their movement, the Y-Fly can be turned freely as well as hover in the air.